so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As good as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. My God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
The creator.
Thinking about love, where everything's right, no wrongs. Thinking about how you cared for me, you laid down your life, a perfect sacrifice for me, yeah. What would I do without your love? There is no me without your love. The way you love me so tenderly, yeah. You love me, nothing above you. There is no one like you, yeah. For all that you are, I give you all the praise. To you my hands I raise, I worship you always. Cause you carry me like a baby. Showers of blessings. Every beautiful morning, see your goodness and mercy. You keep on loving me, all I see is your mercy. There is no one like you. I love you. You love me so. So, my Lord, you love me so. I love you so, I'm never letting you go. Nothing can separate me now. Nothing can separate me from you. Nothing can separate me from you. I could go on now. I could go on till the trumpet sounds fine. I could go on now. Carry me, oh yeah, you love me so. Love me, oh yeah, you love me. I'm gonna sorry, no they do me corny. Oh your love, no they don't me. Your love is for me, nothing else I need. Your love is with me. Walking down the road, I've seen a lot of faces, and all that I see is you. Your glory in everything you created. Nobody compares to you. Him and her, me and you. He made us wonderful, wonderfully crafted, perfect in him, cause he lives in me. I'm shining bright, cause I'm God kind and I carry Christ. Darkness cannot withstand the light. When I step in, it flees out of sight. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. That's why everything's sweet, everything nice, it's so nice. Just look at me, everything versionized. Nothing can stand against me, nah. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. So everything, no weapon from the games, oh no. See me, I'm putting like a new creation, saving souls from every nation. I'm elevating, yeah. One time, let's go, One time, let's go. Yeah.
What's up, chat? Happy Wednesday. Good morning. What's up? Shout out to 11 viewers right now. Andrew, what's up? Good morning. What's up, Philip? How you doing? Let's see what's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
I get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa halamunke. My daily bread, the medulla. Try it for the mito. Breezy, let's in the mama. Tapa halamunke. My daily bread, the medulla. Try it for the mito. Breezy, let's in the mama. Look, I'm back with a new flow. God's grace cover me with a new glow. Every morning his mercies are brand new. Type of love, you know, get to part two. Hey, you to catch me when I fall down. You will never walk past when a man down.
You left the 99 for the lost one. Amazing grace left me dumbfound. Hey, this is a story of a blessed child. Started from the bottom, but we here now. They don't understand why I love you. Look where I've been and where I'm at now. No darling. See the things where you do from. No be saying I me fine past you. See the way where you love me. I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See, I shoot the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de meduna. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama. Tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de meduna. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama.
You they blow my mind. Sweet me know my mind. Now you they give me life. Make everything so nice. Not by power, not by might. By your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time. Cause I got you by my side. Not by power, not by might. By your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time. Cause I got you by my side. No darling, no darling. See the things where you do for me. No be saying I me fine past you. See the way where you love me.
I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I shoot the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de meduna. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama. Tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de meduna. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out.
What's up, gang? How you guys doing? John, how you doing? Vina, how you doing? Reese, good day, good morning, chat. How you guys doing? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good. Damn, Goldie. What's up?
Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing.
All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome you in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Edith, how you doing? Good morning. What's up? Shout out to 16 viewers right now. Let's see what's here. Drop some energies in the chat before we do the tap down today. Excuse me. JC, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Dun, dun. All right. I believe with good now. We good. Let's do the top down today. So the weekly is still bullish on price here. We move around 948 pips on the weekly time frame. The month, yeah, we're still bullish on the month. The daily, okay. So the daily right now is gonna be a little bit tricky here because we close bearish, okay, but we're not closed back in the range. We're closed bearish without any, bottom wick here on price. It looks like, ugly, right? We close without any bottom wick. So right now we've formed a new resistance form here on price because we have, closure. We have bearish closure right now. The previous bearish closure candle, but we don't have any bottom wick. Right now, how many pip we move today? We move 200, let's say 275 pips on the daily candle. I probably gonna expect this daily top wick, right? If we're gonna react right now here on price like this is a good top wick already. If you wanna, move down, go back in the range, close bearish again, and tomorrow it's probably gonna top these support levels, minor support levels on price. So yeah, we probably gonna look for sales again today. But let's see on the lower time frame, right? I believe today we have news. Yeah, we have PPI. So we have news. This will give us volume around 4:30 p.m. So you guys need to be aware of this news is it's gonna give you high impact volume to the market. Okay, so PPI day today. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, as you can see, we're creating market structure here on price. So it's still bullish, pretty bullish on price here. We're rallying towards to the upside here, as you can see. We have high here, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So structure is bullish, right? So yeah, for me, but the good thing here, we're creating ranges, we're creating the structure on price. So that's the good thing, We're not just pushing up towards to the upside, popping up towards to the all-time high. Right now, we're good. 4 hour time frame, we have resistance form here. We have minor levels on price. But the overall support being created here on price is this. We have support form right here. How many pip range? So we have 300, almost 350 pip range today. So that's the 4 hour candle, 4 hour time frame. Moving up here. The 1 hour, okay, so the 1 hour still looks the same. You have support form here. You have minor levels on price here. Next resistance is up here too. We have clean traffic coming up here. But the 1 hour here, as you can see, how many candles are printing bullish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe this 7 hour candle just open up. It's just open, right? Open Asian session, just pushing around on price. So yeah, let's see. 7 hours are bullish. 30 minutes candle. Okay, the 30 minutes, we have some consolidating on price here. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles are consolidating, chat. 7, 15, yeah, man, the 15, and look at this. Can you look at that? So a little bit choppy today, but it's all good, all good. Um, yeah, we have 42 pip range once the candle close above. Right, let's see here today. So I'm gonna use this as my resistance on the left. Why? Because we filled the range already on price here. Okay, so yeah, so I need to look at this as my resistance right now. My resistance, my support probably down here because we create some, this price. So probably close below is looks for sells here. Let's see, we're just chopping around on price. Choppy. We cannot take sell right now because it's just a choppy range. So technically resistance, resistance trade should be like this. And then taking sell here to move down. It's gonna should be like this. And taking buy here to move up. It's like this, all right? So this one is different. This one is just choppy printing the candle side by side. So man, we don't like that. We don't like that to happen. We don't like that. So yeah, it's printing side by side today, gang. If you have any questions, let me know. It's good for buying up 42 pips around this price. Signal is choppy also. Oh my god. The signal is choppy. Yeah, man. The good thing about signal is you're just taking signals. But the question is, are you learning from those signals? Remember, chat, in the end of the day, either you take my trades, either you take someone's raid, someone's signals. Is basically you need to understand why the people taking those buy, why the trader taking those sells. Right? So yeah, man. Understanding trading. Shout out to 15 viewers right now. Make sure you drop some likes, subs to the channel. We are near 1K subs. Can you guys help me to reach 1K subs? If you have your friends, if you have your family wanna learn how to trade, just show up in the live stream here. They gonna learn here a lot. $30, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is still open. 1 hour is about to close in 6 minutes. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. All right, questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. This is not. Oh, this is not nice. Onion. Yeah, because the body is small. It's 3:15 a.m. too. And by the way, man, on Saturday. So on Saturday, I'm gonna have trading recap, which is wherein I can share with you guys how I took the trades in the week, all right, in the previous week, like this week, sharing you guys how I take those trades and review the things and help you guys how to be patient, how to be disciplined to the market. So it's all about mindset, how tradings work. So make sure you attend that on Saturday, chat. And if you guys are following me on IG, yeah, I probably, if you are not in the community, yeah, I'm gonna give you a shot, guys, for you guys to, it's free. I'm gonna open that for everyone. I'm gonna open that for everyone, and if you guys are following me, I'm gonna post the link on Zoom link there. So yeah, man, gonna see you guys on Saturday. This is gonna be interesting Saturday because you guys gonna learn things. Dung, dung, dung. 4 minutes for candle to close. Still consolidating here. Consolidating here. Consolidating. Mhm. All right, look at this. How the candles are, the body are getting small. Small body, small, getting small. So right now, I believe the buyers is getting lower because the body is getting small. The body of the candle is getting small. Anything can happen on the next candle like this. Can, rip down even further on one candle if we have volume, if we have a lot of volume. So yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Tu-du-tu-du-tu-du-tu. It's my mic volume low. I don't know. Wait, I'm gonna check. Check. So I adjust it a little bit. Can you check if my sound's good? My sound's better now. All right, that's better, man. That's better. Right? That's better. Okay, man. Thank you, gang. All right, we good. We good here. Thank you, Alex K. We good. We good. We Gucci now. We Gucci. Yeah, because of this, sure, Mike, you need to put your mouth into the bass so that it will, become loud. Because if I speak in the side, low, 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 it just sounds like nothing, right? All right, man. Re-breaking the highs on the 15 and the 30 and the one, man. The one should move down here. Look at this closure once again here. Look at this. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? Damn gold. Let's see here, gang, today if we're gonna grab some trades, but volume, nothing today, all right? Nothing. There's no volume right now. If we close below like this, let's see if we're gonna grab the trades going down. Because it's just chopping around here because we have news later on tonight. PPI here. Nothing, bro. Nothing. There's probably too many people right here on the 30 if they're using 30 here because we have levels on price that really clean, all right? So as you can see here, um, you have resistance here. And too many candles are re-breaking the highs here. If they're, using the 30, they might taking buys after this re-breaking the high. So they probably clap now. All right. Stop loss. And then after that, the next previous 30 minutes candle starting to move up again, taking buys here. So too many buyers has been clapped today, and too many sellers has been clapped because they're just ranging around here in price. That's the problem when you're taking some trades without any confirmation that it's gonna push through towards to the direction. Right? So you need to understand the levels, the zone, it's invalid or if it's valid, right? Right now, you need to understand volume, directions. Oh, the boss is took loss trying to buy. Yeah, it's okay. He's really good in terms of trading. I believe. Yeah, that two loss is nothing for him, bro. He just can take that back in one trade. That two loss is nothing for him, and it's really been disciplined on his strategy. That's why I take his course, learning the strategy, man, is really good. He's the boss, bro. Boss man. He can make, he I believe he made 100 or I believe 50K. Yeah, I saw it. He made 50,000 US dollar into 1 million in 3 months, I believe. Yeah, in 3 months or 4 months. That's really quick. 50K to 1M in 3 months or probably 4. Yeah, 100K in one trade, 160,000 in one trade. Man, that's really, bro, crazy. Been watching him for since 2008. Yeah, he's the GOAT, man. His biggest one, yeah. He's good when he know when he understand that there's a lot of volume to the market, he can hold the trade, for like 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours to swing the trade. But he's just the same session trader. Took a trade, take 10 pips, 12 pips, 16 pips, but if there's a lot of volume, he probably gonna hold the trades. And And on that thing, it's you need to, you need to practice your mind, because that's, psychology will affect you, because your mind is not familiar with those swing trade, right? So yeah, right now I've been, practicing a little bit swing today, swing this year. So yeah, but it's really hard, man. It's really hard, to see some profit and then go back to break even, hit that break even. So it's really hard, but I believe, I hope gonna be there. On 5 minutes, it looks like leaning down probably will fall today. Yeah, I believe there's a high chance that we can push down even further today, because the daily has close bearish. Okay, we have wicks here on price, but if we have a lot of volume, gold was crazy. Gold is unpredictable right now. This gold can rip up here today on the PPI. So yeah, man, we need to be aware of, because we don't have any top bottom wick 2 closure on the previous daily candle. It should produce some good volume, just gotta wait. Yeah, we need to wait here for a candle to close below for taking sell here. But if this candle push through like this, it's probably gonna overextend. I'm not gonna take any trade. It's overextend, okay? So if the candle close bearish like this below the range, yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot here to take sell, because I have clean traffic here going down. So that's the idea for the day, right? We need to wait. But if this candle push through like this, no, I'm not gonna touch anything here. It's overextend. We're not gonna take sell. We're not gonna take buys too. We gonna wait here for candle to move. That's the plan today. That's the plan, my friends. We need to be patient, bro. Patience. Last year, last year, I start like the same, the same month last year. I've seen a lot of things like this, and I don't have idea that this is gonna be a overextend. And like, oh, it's close below the range, and then the next candle, I'm gonna take sell in the open of the candle. You know what will happen? The candles move up here, damn, and hit the stop above here. So right now, I don't wanna do that, because I'm learning. I see some, Raja's video, like this is gonna be, it's not gonna work when the candle close like that, and then you're gonna take trades on the next open of the candle. So you need to wait for another structure to form before entering a trade. And yesterday I didn't take any trades on the NY. I don't like the, what happened to the NY is pushing through up, right? It's all time high again on the NY here. And then we have news later yesterday. Do we have news? Because there's this candle, man, ripped down here heavy. I believe, yeah, 325 pips, this 15 minutes candle. I've seen why this candle are moving down, and then we don't have any news yesterday. Right? There's no any news around 6 p.m. here. Right, chat? There's someone, can explain why this candle moved down heavy yesterday? Because we move close below. Oh no, not close below, close bearish. And then the next candle bearish again. And then the next candle bearish again. Wow. Oh, there is a news. Oh, okay. Because in Forex Factory, there's no any news here. So yeah, probably in the other. And 9 p.m. Oh, okay. There is a news. Okay. That's why, huh? Cool. It falls down. Yeah. falls down heavy. That's why I'm shocked here. 325 pips. Then this breakout's really good too. Yesterday, if someone got the breakout here when all-time high, this candle is really nice. This 15 minutes candle moved 93 pips. That was really nice, really clean to move up. And that's the open of the 30. Yeah, either way, 30 or 15, you can, you grab the buys here. Cool, but I didn't touch anything or price because I took already 2 trades yesterday, so it probably, yeah, call it a day. Right, printing. The candles are printing. The trader are watching. The trader is waiting. It falls even though the dollar is still weak. Okay. Wow, Ate Check. Good job. You are learning, huh? Good job. Good job. Three minutes for candle to close. Nothing. Still nothing. 4 hour. We still have 48 minutes for the 4. Alagang mentor. Yeah, Matik, alam. Alam mo, ha? Alam. BTC, let's see. Oh, BTC is pumping up. Pumping up, pumping up. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Retesting the high on the BTC. Wow, we're coming back up. The 4 hour is coming back up of the range here. Any close above here, really clean, going up. Who's rating BTC here, gang? Who's rating BTC? Nothing today, gang. Nothing, huh? Mas natuto pa ako sa inyo. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Too many sessions. That's really nice. Too many sessions. London session, NY session. Nothing today. Nothing. Dang. Price action. Yeah, September price action chat. I'm gonna rate because on the July August, I believe it's 6 out of 10. July and August. On September, we move up. So I'm gonna give 7 on the price action. September. Last year September is really nice, really clean. July and August really clean. Only the problem on the quarter one. Quarter one is a little bit choppy. All right, but this year quarter one is heavy move going up and going down because Trump won, and right now we are in um quarter three, October, November. Yeah, we're about to finish the quarter three, right? So yeah, July, August, man. September, let's see. We still have how many trading days? 3 weeks trading days. And I took only 4 or 5 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's 94 pips already. I'm up 94 pips on this. So I'm up $94. Chat. $94, man. No action today. We need action. Philip bro, can you give us some action today, man? Give us action today. We need action. Nas is moving nicely. It's my backup. Yeah. Nas 100. Nas, I don't trade Nas. During this time, Nas should move on NY session. But yeah, man, I probably gonna stick on gold only. Only gold. Action you took buy, man. Always taking buy. Bye-bye. Bye. SJ full TV. Oh, yeah. Full TP. That was nice. Full TP. Yeah, he's a signal provider right now. He's dropping signal everywhere. Dropping signal everywhere. Dung, 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 dung. Nothing today, nothing. BC. Doo-doo. Si Coach Pia. Kasama lagi yan natin si Coach P. 50 pip range so far, but I think it will go down. 50 pip range. Inside the range here. It's 80, 78 pip range. So, nothing. Okay, nothing for me. So, I need to wait for candle to close. Bearish. For taking sell going down. Right now, it's nothing here. There is a high chance that we probably continue up here. This can happen after you break this range. Gonna be a fake out. Break and then back in the range like this. This morning, the Trump administration was notified by the United military that Israel was attacking Hamas, which very unfortunately was located in the section of Doha. Yeah, Qatar. This was a decision made by Prime Minister. 4 minutes for candle to close. 4 minute. 4 minute. Oh, we're moving down, man. We are moving down. Damn. Yesterday, anyway, had the strong reactions. Yeah, true that. Oh, react again. This 15.5. Wow. Look at this. Can you look at that? Nothing. Damn, nothing today. Right now, it's time to relax, chill, watch the price action, be patient, be disciplined. Let the price move, let the price drop. Nothing, gang, nothing. Toot. Chat, what you gonna do, chat? What you gonna do? Huh? Do you have any questions, gang? Let me know if you have any questions. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing. There was a war-related news. Oh, okay. That's Qatar bombing. Okay, I see. Yeah, makes sense. Damn, chat. Nothing, huh? Nothing today. Nothing. Nothing. Because of nothing, people are dipping off. They see the chart are consolidating, people are dipping off. Damn. They see there's no trade, people are dipping off. Damn. That's why, separates between profitable and unprofitable. Separates between hardworking equals not working. We are going up again here. Going up, going up, going up. Dum, dum. Excuse me. Chat, nothing today, chat. Nothing. Bum, 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 bum. 6 minutes for 4 hour closure. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour can move up here. Tap the resistance again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. Man, 8 candles are pushing. I know gold is just waiting for me to buy so that I can touch. uh 2 minutes for candle to close, gang. 2 minutes. boom, boom, boom. Bum, bum, bum. Nothing today, gang. Nothing. Chat, before I head off here, I'm gonna do some. So this level is valid, right? And this zone is no tradable zone for me. So what we need here is to wait for candle close above to continue up. And for selling, we need to wait for candle to close, continue down here. So that's gonna be the idea for the day, chat. And right now we don't have any trades. It's okay. Gonna come back tomorrow. We stuck in the range on price here. The candles are printing side by side. So you're probably gonna call it the stream. And see you guys tomorrow, right? So yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace, peace. And see you guys. I'm out here.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.